that sand wash, go around that way there.
Hey, just this dirt road
Cool.
is beat up and very steep.
When we get down that way,
Of course. So here, should I stay to the outside or the inside?
Just down right on the middle of your lane. Right on the middle. Yeah.
We'll stop and check with everybody, okay? What do you guys think of that view?
Amazing.
What are you laughing at?
What I'm about to face here.
Not a big deal.
No.
Yeah.
And no. You guys are doing great. And the biggest thing is, on the pavement, and you know this, you ride a street bike. You know, right now, I'm glad that I remembered that little dirt road off to the side.
Yeah.
You know, that way there was no cars there. I don't like to be on the pavement with you. Trust me, okay? I don't like to do that. With the more novice riders and a bit better, we don't stay on we miss all that. We gotta see that road right there. We come up across that way there, we wind all the way down through there. But by the time we got down to the bottom, you guys would be hating me right now. Okay? So that's the reason the pavement's involved a little bit, okay? It's not on purpose. It's just, well, actually it is on purpose. It's to save you know,
Your life.
and so once we get on the pavement, Chewy, you make sure you give them about a 200-foot buffer. You guys just keep the pace up just a little. You did good back there, okay? You guys did very, very good. But the biggest thing is we don't want to impact the cars a whole lot.
There's not many cars, you know, but
No, we shouldn't. Hopefully we see none. I mean, we didn't get passed by any that time.
no, none. Yeah, so
All's good.
So this is probably the worst of it, right?
yeah, I mean, this is not bad at all.
No, this is simple. You got this.
You got it. Yeah.
I might go last if that's okay, like, and then you can go behind me.
Yeah,
What's
no
that?
problem. She wants to be last, and then I'll be right behind. No
Well,
problem.
That's fine, but again, you guys got to keep up the pace because you can't slow the cars down, okay? And as if there is any cars right now.
Yeah, that's.
So we're gonna get down here, and I'm gonna go off ahead of you guys a little bit. We're gonna be turning off a bank onto the dirt road, okay?
Okay.
So, you know, when you see me up that way there, just make sure you start looking and you make the corner good, okay?
And,
slow down good, everything's fine.
When you slow down, almost all the way down, try to get off the pavement. Don't kind of stop in the pavement.
Yeah. Well, especially if there's cars.
Yeah.
We should be good. You ready?
We're pretty safe. Here, hang on, I got it. I'll turn around.
Oh, I can get it. I hit that.
Yeah. Don't stare at the rock so much.
I know, I was staring at it. I stared at it the whole damn time.
Keep your throttle, don't gas it too much, because that's what you
Yeah.
did there.
Well, I
It's an
forget
ultra
to
rain.
let go of it, and then it goes.
Yeah. Some of this little stuff, remember what I said. The suspension will take a,
Yeah.
I know, and don't forget